Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis of Cardano, one of our favorite altcoins that are out there. Still some interesting things going on as we are awaiting the CPI data that is going to be coming out on Wednesday, tomorrow, the date that I'm making this. And what we're seeing is a lot of volatility over in the crypto market right now. The total crypto market cap is actually very close to losing the market cap of $1 trillion. So that's how things are kind of going at this moment. As you can see, looking over, there is a lot of red over in the crypto market right now at this time. So looking at Cardano, what we have going on is we are in this rising wedge, but you can see how the volatility currently is treating us. As we can see that there is a very large candlestick right there as we have been tightening up within this rising wedge. Now, we will be exiting this pattern here very soon, and it's either going to be a very bearish exit, as if the CPI data does not produce any sort of positive number showing that the inflation rate has been reduced for the month of July. If it's not showing any sort of positive reaction to the interest rates, then what we're going to see is a big drop in the price of ADA, as well as all the other cryptocurrencies. We're going to see a big sell-off. That's kind of what we're seeing right now, is we're seeing some people actually selling off their crypto, taking some profits that they recently made, in the possibility that the crypto market could crash due to the CPI data not being up to par where they would like to see it. Now, more than likely, if we get positive information, which I'm sure we will see a reduction in inflation. I'm pretty sure we'll see a slight reduction in inflation, just because I can look at the gas prices and know here in California that they've gone down pretty significantly. So with that, I would say that, yeah, the month of July, more than likely, we did see a drop in inflation, but is it enough drop of inflation is the big question. So if it is enough, then what we'll see is we'll see the crypto market react positive. We'll see the stock market react positive, and that would really help things out over in the entire market. And of course, that would be something that would allow us to exit this pattern here in a more bullish way. So who knows where the price would go? We could possibly even see the price of ADA go to 55 cents or even more if the information is that good. And I would expect that, because we would be continuing working up this rising wedge here and then hopefully break out from there. So that would take us up to about 55 cents to do such. And you can see that ADA does want to get to 55 cents as the wicks keep trying to get there, but there's just so much resistance there at that price. Now, if the CPI data is good news and we do see a large amount of buying into the crypto market and a lot of people buying back into Cardano, we could also be seeing the price of ADA going to a price around 58 cents, which that is going to be a very key area of resistance that we're going to have. That is going to be our 100-day moving average. So if we can get above 58 cents, then we can see things getting even more bullish with Cardano. So now looking at ADA here in a 3-hour chart and using the LAOA pattern and trying to get an understanding about where would we see the price of ADA going to if we do get the worst case scenario and the CPI data is not positive and we get negative information. Where could we see this current bit of sell-off that we're seeing over in the crypto market? Where could we see the price of ADA be affected by that? And we could be seeing the price of ADA going to a price of around 48 cents, or even worse, to a price of 44 cents, which we don't want to see. Now, hopefully we do get good news with the CPI data. We do see ADA trend up to that 55 cent price, and it would be really nice if we can just break through that and find support above that 55 cent price, and then work our way up to that 100-day moving average, which that would be the best case scenario of what could happen. So anyways, with that being said, I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions about the price of ADA. Do you guys think that we are going to be trending up to that 100-day moving average, or do you think that the price of ADA is going to follow this pattern and then fall below its 20-day moving average? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you guys for watching and listening. I will see you all in the next one coming very soon.